Hey guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. Today we're gonna be doing a lift on the Toyota Tacoma. I got a little bit of a project with this thing. We're gonna kind of make it a little bit of a trail rider, kind of slash overlander. In the future, we're just kind of doing little bits at a time. With that said, I'll bring up a couple different things. First of all, I'm gonna measure I'm going to measure the lift here. We're basically right at 35. Now let's go in the back here. 36 3/4. Passenger side looks like really close to 37. So passenger side is up just a little higher. And then this side is 35. 35 and about 3/4. So pretty much got 36 3/4 over there, 35 3/4 here, 35 3/4 there, 37 over there on the passenger side. So we just got these new rims and tires the other day, and which were pretty cool. Really glad to have them, but they had a 0 offset. We had our old rims on there. We had our old rims on there the other weekend, or before we got the new tires. We had our other rims, and we had the same size of tire, and there was no rub at all with those other tires on. And we got these 0 offset rims, aftermarket rims. Look a lot nicer, pretty cool, not bad priced. I'll give Discount a shout out. They hooked me up. They got me in there that day. Anyway, really great service, so thanks Discount. Anyway, these rims, because of these rims and the offset, they started rubbing. So I was planning on getting a lift for this, or a leveling kit for this rather, but I was gonna take my time with it. But because of the rub, we decided to hurry up and get the lift kit now. So today that's what we're installing, is the lift kit. Now guys, just to kind of go over it real quick, nothing big deal. I was gonna make this like a project, and I still am, but we haven't done a lot of upgrades yet, but we're working on them slowly. So today you're gonna see the lift. Obviously you see the tires right here. Another little upgrade was the old 50 cal bullet antenna. That's a necessity. Guys, so really one of the only things that we've upgraded on the inside. So right now this is kind of my wife's pickup, so she did some bedazzling there, and the steering wheel cover. But besides that, I did a new radio in here. We put this in like a month or two ago. Now I want to tell you guys, I don't get paid, or I don't have like a discount code or anything. There's no sponsorship there, but I gotta shout out Crutchfield. They made this really easy. This radio, I mean, I got this, the radio, and the wiring harness, and that's where I really saved a lot of time. It was really, if any of you have ever changed a car radio, you know it can be a pain. Crutchfield, I paid the extra like 15 or 20 bucks for them to basically do everything where it's just plug in and play. Plug in and go. So we got this radio, we got got everything from crutchfield.com. I can't thank them enough. I thought they did an incredible job, and made the whole installation very, very easy. All right, guys, we're done with the lift. We got everything done. Just to give you an idea, I put a 2-inch lift on this thing, so it should be roughly about 2 inches. We had 36 3/4 before, and now we have 39. So that's little over, about a 2 1/4 inches lift on this side. And then let me go check the front, and now we have right at 37, so we've went up 2 inches. All right, guys, so that's it for the leveling kit on the Toyota. It was kind of a fun project. A little wore out and burned out now. Got pretty dirty. Had a little bit of trouble on the back end with the leaf springs, just trying to line everything up. It worked out. I mean, everything worked out. I got it and everything, and that was probably my fault. I probably didn't do it right exactly on the leaf springs, but I was like, oh, the back is going to be the easier part, and then it became the hard, kind of almost the harder part. Anyway, neither here or there. We got the 2-inch lift. Go ahead and pan across, Carter. Hey guys, so one other thing before this video ends, I just wanted to say that I've had this lift for about a month. I'm pretty happy with it. Here's a little different angle to see how it sets and what it looks like on the Toyota. And I'll tell you one thing that I wish I would have done is I got 2-inch lift, 2 in the front, 2 in the back. I really wish I would have done 2.5 in the front and 2 in the back. I think it would have looked a little bit better, even though I think it looks nice the way it is. I think that extra 1/2 inch would have made it pop just a little bit more. So note to yourself, if you're thinking about getting a lift, just go with another 1/2 inch at least in the front. With that said, I got this lift off of Amazon. I think it was Torque that I got. I'll put a link down below for you to check out, and got a really good deal on it. It was like 130 bucks, somewhere around there. It might even be cheaper, but not a bad deal. And then I did the work myself, obviously, as you've seen in the video. So pretty reasonable for a leveling kit. Don't break the bank, and just wanted to share that. So thanks, guys. All right, guys, so thanks for joining me on this Toyota Tacoma build. This is going to be a project that we're going to slowly but surely kind of get toward doing some overland designs and stuff. I want to build it up to basically make it off-road. I don't know if I'll actually put an overland tent on it, but I want to definitely build up the suspension and make it a little more off-roady. Do the bumpers and the back bumper. I don't know if I'll do that myself or if I'll have it done. I might have it done just so I don't have to deal with it. Either way, it'll be a fun project to kind of build this and just see what it looks like, you know, and gather inspiration for you to see what you want to do with your Tacoma. So with that said, subscribe to the channel, give this one a like if you happen to like it. Thanks very much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks again, guys. Later.